Welcome to Jeep Leak Fix, and in this video I'll be explaining exactly why your Wrangler is leaking and how you can fix it at home. So you might be experiencing leaking coming from this location here at the A-pillar bucket, or perhaps water running down the A-pillar and then eventually making its way down to this popular location where water then crosses over this plastic and either ends up on the top of your mat or below it. Or you might find water entering from a number of different locations on your vehicle, and that is annoying. Now, the reason this is happening is not because it's a Jeep and it's supposed to leak. Yes, I know that is a very popular mantra found online and also at the dealerships, and they will tell you that is the reason why your carpet is wet. Well, that is not why your carpet is wet. The real reason that your interior is getting wet and musty and moldy smelling in there is because there is no body side gasket on the perimeter of this vehicle. Okay? Every other vehicle on the road today has a body side gasket except for Jeep. That light bulb has still not gone off in their head to add that to the vehicle, so that this way, if it did have a body side gasket like every other vehicle, this door side gasket, which they have provided, would slam against a body side gasket, and that will solve your problem. So in order for us to have the same results, we're going to be adding a body side gasket to the Jeep Wrangler. It is a proprietary gasket that we have developed that fits very nicely into the door jambs here and follows these lines perfectly to give you a nice OEM finish and fit, and it'll be functional so that this way, next time you slam the door on your vehicle, guess what? It'll be dry.